Periodic table of elements. It is the table of chemical elements arranged in order of increasing atomic number from left to right such that elements with similar outer atomic structure appear in the same vertical column. Modern periodic law. It states that the physical and chemical properties of all elements are the periodic functions of their atomic numbers. Modern periodic table is divided into groups and periods. Vertical columns from top to bottom are called groups and horizontal rows from left to right are called periods. There are total 18 groups and 7 periods in modern periodic table. Group 1 elements are called alkali metals because these elements react with water to form water-soluble oxides and hydroxides except hydrogen, which is a non-metal, and the last element francium, which is radioactive. Hydrogen is a non-metal, but it is placed in group 1 along with alkali metals due to the same outer electronic configuration. Group 2 elements are called alkaline earth metals because elements of this group exist in the earth crust in the form of their hydroxides. Group 17 elements are called halogens. Halogens means sea salt producers. These elements are found in seawater in the form of their salts like sodium chloride, potassium fluoride, potassium chloride, etc. Group 18 elements are called inert gases or noble gases because their outer octet is complete, so they do not take part in chemical reaction or they are inactive. Modern periodic table is also divided into 4 blocks S, P, D and F. This classification is on the basis of the subshell where the last electron enters. Group 1 and 2 are S block elements. Group 13 to 18 are P block elements. Group 3 to 12 are placed under D block and F block elements are placed separately at the bottom of the periodic table. S and P block elements are also called normal representative elements because they have normal outer electronic configuration and the first member of each group represents the properties of the entire group. D block elements are called transition elements because they form a transition state between S and P block elements or from metals towards non-metals. F block elements are called inner transition elements because their last electron enters one shell inner to that of transition elements. Inner transition elements are placed under 2 series, lanthanides and actinides. After lanthanum, 14 elements are called lanthanides and after actinium, 14 elements are called actinides. F block elements are placed outside the periodic table because there is no place in the main periodic table to accommodate 14 lanthanides and 14 actinides at one place. Modern periodic table is very helpful in the study of elements, their atomic structure and their physical and chemical properties.